Why aren't more people talking about this Joby tripod here? This is not getting enough love. This is an amazing, very affordable tripod for small cameras. So you get this, the actual tripod, and then you get this nice, this is like a nylon style pouch case with a really thin string strap, which I don't like, but you get this. You also get this phone mount because this tripod is really meant for mobile phones. So you get this mobile phone mount, 1/4-20. It opens up like that with just force. There's nothing to tighten it with. And then even the spinning rotation here, there's some clicks, but they're all plastic and it holds up well. And there's two cold shoe mounts on the either end. They're both plastic. Everything here is all plastic except for that 1/4-20 screw here. So the tripod, it's a 3-section. These are the latches. They're not the screw-ons. So for people who don't want to fuss about gear and they just want a really simple tripod to use, this is great. So that's what these latches are better for people who don't want to deal with the tightening knobs. So there's 3 latches right here, opens out pretty easy like that, goes in. And on the bottom here, they're just rubber feet. They don't come out. There's no spikes. The type of person who would get this tripod, it's not meant for adventure. So you're not going to go camping. You're not going to go on a trail hiking with this. And it opens up like so. And the top here is a ball mount. One of Joby's ball mounts that, if you're familiar with the Joby tripods or those elastic legs, same deal. So you have one right here, one knob that controls almost everything. It controls the spinningness, the spin, and it controls the articulation of the ball mount. This ball mount is very similar to a tabletop tripod that I reviewed on my channel earlier. There is a 1/4-20. There's no plate. You just screw this directly on your camera, or if you're using their included phone mount, you just screw it directly on here. Now, I've had this for a few months now, and then right here, this is a rubberized grip material. The stickiness has worn out, so this has peeled off before, so I've stuck it back on. I might have to super glue it back onto the plastic mount. This is all plastic. The knob is plastic here, but that's metal. The ball mount's metal, and then when you tighten it, it's a fairly firm, tight grip here. And it even tells you on the tripod leg. Okay, it says right here it holds 3.3 pounds. And then that's the model number there. Some other features is that it does raise. So there's this knob that controls the pan. And then this knob right here extends the center column up like that. This is a very lightweight tripod. I really like it. So if you're the type of person who wants a very simple tripod, maybe you're an actor that needs to do tapes, that you need to record auditions. This is perfect for you because this is easy to set up. You can usually put your phone, because I know a lot of actors use their phone, or anybody who just wants to use a phone setup. This is such a simple tripod, simple, lightweight, and it's affordable. And Joby is a decent brand. It's not a no-name brand. This has been around for a while, this brand. And so far, with the exception of this grip material falling off, this has been an awesome tripod for very small cameras or phones. I highly recommend this Joby tripod.